Welcome to the video, everyone. Welcome to the video, everyone. It's my good friend Tom. How you doing, Tom?
I'm well. I'm in Thailand.
Nice. We're joining you from Phuket, Thailand.
Bang Tao.
Bang Tao. Bang Thai Day. That was my joke on Twitter. Welcome to the video. Yeah, if you haven't seen my last video, I did a bit of an update on the state of Amazon FBA and whether or not I think it's dead. If you want to check it out, have a look here. But I also updated on the fact that I've moved to Thailand and Tom is out here for a few months visiting. And yeah, we're going to be like working together, trying to live like the cheesy digital nomad dream. I'm going to mix in some like nice shots of like where we are and stuff, but we're sat on top of like my pretty cool condo slash apartment type thing at the moment.
It's very, very cool.
Very fancy.
I'm in a little bungalow down by the beach and Alex has got
Awful.
this. Hey, yeah, it's all right. Alex has got this amazing condo building with a rooftop pool. I'm sure he puts some B-roll. He does a bit of B-roll.
I might jump in there with the GoPro in a
He's
minute.
got infinity pool. He's got this view of the jungle and the sunset. It's
How much did it work out? So it basically costs like 320 euros for like a 1-bedroom apartment. Not super huge, but you get all this, you get a gym, you get everything. And that's kind of like part of the reason why I moved out here, to try and get, I don't know, just like a cool way of living for 12 months or so, like while we're working on the business. But yeah, check out my other video if you've not seen it. Tom?
Yeah, so today is the 30th of November for us. So just to give you a sales update of where we are since the last time. Hopefully you can see this.
Hang on. Oh,
What are you doing there?
I'm trying to see it.
Right in frame, focus. So we've done, hopefully that's on. So we've done 1,073 units this month so far with 1 day to go. So we're hoping we're going to break 1,100 units. We should do. And that's our best ever month in terms of units done. So we're pretty happy with that. Considering, obviously we are well into Q4 now. We're not actually a massively Q4 centric brand. We're actually way better in spring and summer. So we're pretty happy with that. We think the growth is going to continue. We've seen a pretty steady increase since our last video update, which I think was back in August in Barcelona.
Yeah.
Since then, we've launched 3 new products, 2 in September and 1 in October in the end. They were meant to be a few months prior to that. It always takes longer than you think, so just bear that in mind. 2 of them are doing really well. We're really happy with 2 of them. 1 of them's done okay. 2 out of 3 in Amazon isn't a bad ratio, to be honest, but we think the 3rd one will probably pick up a bit in the new year, so we're not too fussed, but we're pretty happy with how they look.
What's that Meatloaf song? 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Because 2, no? We'll mix that in. We'll mix that into the background. We'll mix that into the background.
What else have we done? We've ordered 2 new products. Well, actually, last week we finalised plans for 2 new products. So they're two custom products that we've got really strong USPs on. The gross margin on them, we're looking at like 140% ROI gross margin, which is massive, really. Like we're really happy with that. It's definitely becoming more and more evident in Amazon that you need that buffer. We used to aim for 100% ROI and kind of 30-ish% margins, but you really need to aim higher than that to give yourself a buffer. Like with all the added 3PL costs, with the shipping that keeps changing, you just
Amazon fees going up.
Amazon fees have gone up again, so come January the 1st. On that point, like make sure you guys definitely understand dimensional weight, because all the rules have changed and they snuck it in. It's like the 3rd bullet point on the update. Maybe we'll try and link to it in this video actually, but everything's going to go up, and some people are changing kind of, say you're $3.50 fulfillment, it's going to like $5.15, and that's going to make a massive change.
Difference, yeah.
So just make sure you're on top of those. If you need any advice on that kind of stuff, reach out to us. We didn't have a hand with it at the start, now we definitely do, and we're happy to help you with that.
Yeah, we've got a little link tree thing now in the description where you can just like reach out to us. I also mentioned in the last video as well, we're starting to do some like mentorship and consultation and stuff like that. Honestly, because like we had people reaching out to us, asking us, and then we started to do it with a couple of guys in the UK, and it's going really well. They're really enjoying it. They're getting a lot out of it. So we wanted to kind of open it up to other people. So if you're interested in just having a chat with us, we're doing like a free 20-minute chat, no obligation to get any mentorship or anything like that. We just kind of we want to network with like people that are doing Amazon and try and help people out. Where we just did it all on our own in the beginning. So yeah, check out the link tree description. The link tree
before
link in description.
Before people comment sellout guru bullshit.
No one would say that.
The reason we did it is because we're trying to grow a real brand. We're not looking for a side hustle, which is fine if you are. Like that definitely can still be done with Amazon, as Alex touched on in the last video. But every bit of profit we make in our business, we bang it straight back in and we launch new products. So in the new year, we're going to have, with these 2 new products, I think we're up to eight or 9 products live. That takes a lot of cash. Like we've got products in production, we've got a product on a ship, we've got a product stored at Amazon at 3PL at all times. It's quite a big operation. So just to be simple, we haven't got the money spare, or we don't want to pay ourselves that money because we want to grow it as fast as we can and sell it for 7 or 8 figures. So for us, we like helping people. The guys so far have enjoyed it. If we can make a bit of that, is our kind of our side hustle. We mentoring people. It keeps us on our toes. It keeps us kind of finger on the pulse of Amazon. So we think everyone wins.
Yeah. So haters going F yourselves.
Freak that out. Vlogs.
Yeah, so we're gonna try and do like some more sort of like vlog stuff like this, because like we're living in a pretty cool place at the minute, and I think like maybe it's interesting for people to see like us working and places that we're going, and it's very picturesque. So I've got this GoPro, so I'm gonna try and record some of this stuff. So if you want to see more of this stuff, like I know it's a bit cheesy, but give it a like. Leave us a comment. Like nobody really ever comments on our videos. Like we get some decent amount of views and no one ever comments. So
don't be scared.
You honestly don't know. Like it just means that we realize people like engage with the videos and like you enjoy watching the stuff. So if you're watching, just drop us a comment, like a question. Just if you want to see a certain thing, I don't know, like we can go and have some nice Thai food and we can record it and show it and then like talk about what we've done that day on Amazon. So any ideas you've got,
and
just
if you're in
let us know.
Thailand, there seems to be some digital nomads here, so hit us up.
Yeah, that'd be a nice coincidence,
meet.
Wouldn't it?
We're desperate for friends.
Yeah.
We're lonely boys.
Speak for yourself, Tom.
We've got a lot of Twitter friends now, though. So
oh yeah, follow us on Twitter. Yeah, we're on Twitter now pretty actively. So if you want to, like, we put a lot of like stuff on there, like advice and tweets about business and
our results.
All that sort of
we
stuff.
share our results on there as well, because not a lot of people do. We give you even our
inside look. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it then. No.
Yeah, do one of your cool checkout.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and do this like cool, impressive like face checkout thing. So yeah, thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll see you in the next one.